Perth and Kinross Council was in a unique and strong position in 2017-2018 when the Homelessness and Rough Sleeping Action Group presented this recommendation to the Scottish Government. We had already transformed our service over a number of years by introducing a home-first approach, significantly reducing our temporary accommodation portfolio, implementing a B&B reduction plan, reorganizing the homelessness and allocation functions into one team, and implementing our own rapid rehousing system. We had also established a successful range of private sector access initiatives and a long-standing common housing register in partnership with our local housing associations. Around 1,200 households are rehoused through our common housing register each year, and we have assisted nearly 2,000 households to access good quality, affordable accommodation in the private rented sector since 2009. Because the Home First approach had already been introduced in Perth and Kinross, the requirement to develop a Rapid Rehousing Transition Plan presented us with a different challenge. We had already implemented a program of transformational change through the development of our Home First model, so we focused our RRTP on ways in which we intended to further develop this model based on identified key challenges. Here's how we have performed set against some of our key challenges. Key challenge: homelessness presentations. Between 2017 and 2018 and 2019-2020, we experienced a reduction in presentations of around 24%, thanks to our Home First approach and the implementation of our Rapid Rehousing Transition Plan. Reducing youth homelessness is a key priority to Perth and Kinross Council, and we have invested substantial resources in this area. As a result of this commitment, we have seen a reduction in homeless presentations from young people aged 16 to 25 of around 31% in 2019-2020 compared to our position in 2017 and 2018. Key challenge: settled accommodation, providing furnishing and other goods required to make a property a home. During 2019-2020, we spent almost £100,000 providing furnishings, appliances, and floor coverings for homeless people rehoused through our Home First approach, helping to sustain tenancies. This was made up of £75,000 from our Scottish Government RRTP funding and £25,000 from Perth and Kinross Council budgets. Key challenge: temporary accommodation. During 2019-2020, we maintained a reduced portfolio of temporary accommodation and had the lowest prevalence of households in temporary accommodation in Scotland, and the shortest length of stay nationally. We have reduced the number of households in temporary accommodation by 89% since 2012, and there were no households containing children in temporary accommodation at Christmas in 2020. Key challenge: better understanding of the local homelessness context and the role of our partners. Substantial progress has been made through a number of initiatives that has made us better informed about our local context and the contribution that our partners can make to preventing homelessness. For example, a homelessness research project was commissioned to look at homelessness and health, youth homelessness, and rough sleeping in a local context. Findings from this research have been progressed through various new initiatives and actions that are detailed in the report before you today. Next steps. The COVID-19 pandemic means that the next 12 months will be challenging. However, we are in a good position to be able to deal with these challenges and will focus on continued and enhanced homelessness prevention and tenancy sustainment activity, the potential for an increase in evictions due to the pandemic, maintaining lower levels of homelessness presentations. Home First continues to be our commitment to people facing homelessness in Perth and Kinross. Through the proposals detailed in the RRTP and future developments outlined in the updated plan, we will continue to reduce the duration, stigmas, costs, and experiences of homelessness for people in Perth and Kinross.